In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the keyboard activity. For this activity, you will use Python to create a keyboard with your Trashbot using just the two buttons. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, and a micro USB. Step 2. Code. Code a program that makes a keyboard with your Trashbot. One button should increase the note value, and the other should be a play button. Use a C major scale for reference. Step 3. Test. Test out your code. Does it work as expected? What happens when the number of times you increase the note is more than the number of notes in the scale? Step 4. Refine. Try to identify the bugs, if any, that are preventing your code from working. Brainstorm ideas to fix them and put them into code. Step 5. Test again. With your new code, run the same tests as you did in Step 3 and evaluate. What happened to your program? Did it become better or worse? Step 6. Reflect. What challenges did you have in this activity and how did you overcome them? After more testing, are there any more changes you need to make to your program? For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.